9 experienced hikers entered the frozen Ural Mountains of the Soviet Union in 1959 on a difficult winter expedition. They were skilled, well prepared, and aiming for one of the country's highest hiking certifications. Then they stopped communicating. When search teams finally reached their campsite weeks later, they found the tent still standing on the mountainside. Their food was untouched. Their coats and boots were inside. But the tent had been slashed open from the inside and the hikers had fled into the freezing darkness. Investigators followed footprints away from the camp. Some appeared to have been made by people wearing only socks. Others seemed barefoot. That night, the temperature was far below freezing. Nearly a mile away, rescuers found the first 2 bodies beneath a large cedar tree. The men had managed to build a fire before they died. Broken branches high in the tree suggested that someone may have climbed it, perhaps trying to look back toward the campsite. Over the following months, the remaining bodies were found buried under deep snow. Some had died of exposure. Others had severe injuries. One hiker had a fractured skull, another major chest trauma, and one woman was missing her tongue. The unusual injuries fueled decades of rumors about military tests, spies, prisoners, and stranger explanations, but investigators found no evidence of an attack by another group. One of the strangest details is that there were originally 10 hikers. A team member turned back early because he became ill, and that decision saved his life. He was the only survivor of the expedition. More than 60 years later, researchers propose that a small avalanche may have forced the hikers out of the tent. Disoriented, undressed, and trapped in brutal winter conditions, they may never have made it back. Still, not everyone accepts that explanation. The central question remains: what frightened 9 experienced hikers enough to cut open their tent and run into the frozen darkness?